Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see some accounting part in Jainam Software, how we can manage. So, just have a look. So, from the ledger, if I go to the add to favorite, here we have multiple ledgers already created. So, 15 ledgers I have added to the favorite already. Here you can see. So, for example, whatever ledger you want to add to favorite, you can add from here. So, for example, I want to add the advertisement expenses. So, I can add from here. Then, I want to add the car expenses. I can add here. So, whatever expenses, whatever ledgers do you want to add? Is it liability or assets, anything? You can add from here. So, what if the ledger is not created here, you can create your own ledger from create ledger option. So here I will select the ledger and I want to create one ledger for, let's say, indirect income. So for indirect income, we have already created this much ledger in our system. So for example, let's say this is the membership charges, registration charges. So here you can write down the, let's say, service charge. So here here you can see I have created this ledger and it will automatically come to the add to favorite. So here you can see if I go to the second page, here you can see the service charge ledger I have created. Now, how to do the journal entry? So from the accounting, I will go to the journal entry, and from here the different options are there. So I can select here as a journal entry, and you can change the date according uh, the payment you have done. So for example, let's say 1st of August, I will select, let's say we have received cash on 1000 from the service charge 1000. So here in a company ledger you can add this narration entry, and you can say that cash received from. So actually this entry you can create as a from the customer account. So let's say I will search one customer F-3. So this customer, if you go to the star icon and you click on the create voucher, so you can create this voucher for this customer. So you have received this uh, amount from this customer, cash 1000, and you have charged the service for service which you have given 1000. So you can write the any narration and just save this entry. So I have saved this entry on the 29th September. So how we can check this entry? So from the business, the account statement, if I select here cash and just refresh, so here you can see that opening balance was 2384. Now we have received 1000 rupees from this customer, file number 3, and the total balance is 3384. So this type we can manage the accounting part very easy way.